Imagine the sound of sizzling woks, the aroma of garlic drifting through the air, and grains of rice dancing in hot oil. Today we're making Chinese fried rice, a dish that has traveled the world, loved for its simplicity, flavor, and versatility. It's more than just a way to use up leftovers. It's a celebration of texture and taste, with each grain of rice perfectly seasoned, glistening, and never clumped. This recipe serves 4 people, and while it's quick to cook, the secret lies in the preparation. Get your ingredients ready, because once the wok is hot, things move fast. Here's what you'll need: 500 grams of cooked jasmine rice, preferably a day old and chilled for the best texture, 3 tablespoons of neutral oil, like sunflower or vegetable oil, 3 large eggs beaten with a pinch of salt, 2 medium carrots diced into small cubes, 1 cup of frozen peas, 4 spring onions finely chopped, keeping white and green parts separate, 3 cloves of garlic finely minced, 1 thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger minced, 200 grams of cooked chicken breast, diced, or substitute with prawns, beef, or keep it vegetarian, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. For color and depth, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, a pinch of white pepper for that authentic restaurant flavor. The foundation of any good fried rice is the rice itself. Freshly cooked rice is too moist and clumps together. That's why day-old rice works best. It's dry, separate, and ready to absorb flavor. If you don't have day-old rice, cook your jasmine rice fresh, spread it out on a tray, and let it cool completely before refrigerating for at least 2 hours. The grains should feel firm and slightly dry to the touch. Heat is everything. Traditional Chinese fried rice is cooked over intense wok heat. At home, you may not have a restaurant burner, but the principle is the same. Use the largest pan or wok you own, heat it until it's almost smoking, and keep the ingredients moving. That wok hei, or breath of the wok, comes from high heat and speed. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into the hot wok, swirl it around, then pour in the beaten eggs. Let them set for a few seconds, then scramble gently until just cooked but still soft. Remove the eggs from the wok and set aside. This way, they stay fluffy and don't overcook later. Add another splash of oil. Toss in the minced garlic and ginger, followed by the white parts of the spring onions. The fragrance should hit instantly, sharp, savory, and mouth-watering. Stir for just 20 seconds so they don't burn. Add your diced carrots, cooking them until slightly softened, but still with a bit of bite. Next, add the peas, letting them brighten into a vibrant green. Then add your diced chicken, already cooked and ready to absorb flavor. Stir fry everything together for about 2 minutes. Now for the star of the dish. Break up any clumps of chilled rice with your fingers before adding it to the wok. Pour it in all at once, spreading it across the surface. Don't stir immediately. Let the rice sit against the hot wok for a few seconds. This creates that subtle, toasty flavor. Then toss and stir, lifting and folding until every grain separates and shines. Drizzle in the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Pour them around the edges so they sizzle on contact, releasing smoky depth before coating the rice. Sprinkle a pinch of white pepper, then add back your scrambled eggs, breaking them into small pieces as you toss. Finally, drizzle over the sesame oil for its nutty aroma. Turn off the heat and scatter in the green parts of the spring onions. The residual heat will soften them just enough, adding freshness and color. Taste and adjust seasoning. Maybe a touch more soy sauce if needed, but keep it balanced. Serve the fried rice immediately while it's steaming hot. Pile it into bowls or onto plates, letting the colors shine. Golden egg, orange carrots, green peas, and glossy rice. Pair it with stir-fried vegetables, sweet and sour chicken, or simply enjoy it as a complete meal on its own. And that is Chinese fried rice for 4. Simple, comforting, and endlessly adaptable. What makes it special isn't just the ingredients, but the technique. Dry rice, high heat, and balance of flavor. With every bite, you'll taste the smoky aroma, the crunch of vegetables, the tenderness of chicken, and the softness of scrambled egg. It's the kind of dish you can make on a busy weeknight, or serve at a family gathering, quick, satisfying, and always loved. So the next time you have leftover rice, don't waste it. Turn it into this golden, fragrant classic. Chinese fried rice. Proof that humble ingredients, treated well, can become something unforgettable.